Hello. So this application will allow you to set your journal entries to draft and also allow you to cancel your journal entries, but in bulk. So you can do it multiple journal entries at a single time. You can reset multiple journal entries at a single time, and you can also cancel multiple journal entries at a single time. So let's see how it works. So if I go to accounting, I'll go to accounting and journal entries. You can see I have this posted journal entries, but I have option to reset this to a draft, but I do not want to do it individually. I want the option to reset multiple journal entries at a time. So I will select these and I will go to action and I will choose the option set to draft. So I will click on them and see if you can see that this all journal entries have turned blue, means that they have set to draft. Here you can see the status as well. And simultaneously, if I also want to cancel those journal entries, I just have to select these and go to action and cancel the journal entry. And here you can see the status has changed. Now the journal entries has been cancelled. So this application will allow you to reset journal entries to draft and also cancel the journal entries altogether, multiple journal entries at a single time. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.